and welcome to Casual DIY channel. So you're here to check out how you can transform your wooden scraps into a wooden bookmark. And wooden thumb page holder. So these are very nice, simple and easy projects. I bet you've got some wood lying about that you're not sure what to do. So these items are absolutely perfect for a gift, present, or even your Etsy store. So check out the video. Let's get to it. The page holder will be 10 centimeters long, but I'm going to cut at 10.5 centimeters piece just in case, so we've got a bit of a margin for some error. And for our bookmark, we need about 24 centimeters of stock. It's time to put our design on the piece of wood. So the first thing we're going to cut out is actually the middle, because at this stage is the easiest to do. I'm going to be using my pillar drill, as you can see, with a Forstner bit. And now it's time for a bit of bandsaw action. For the bookmark, we only need a piece that's about 3 or 4 millimeters in thickness, so we're going to use the bandsaw to rip the stock to the correct size. So as you can see, we're going to go through several grids to achieve really nice and smooth finish. We're going to start with 120 and work our way up right up to 400. Let's get to it. Right, and both of these beauties are now fully sanded, so the boring part is out of the way. They're ultra smooth. As I said, we went up to grit 400, so they're absolutely beautiful. And before we actually go to the finishing part of this project, I just want to mention, if you're not a subscriber and you like my video, please consider subscribing and leave me a comment or a like down below if you appreciate what I do. But it's time to apply the finish on these two beauties. So what are we actually using to finish these items? Well, basically this is supposed to be a very quick and easy build, so you can make as many of these as you want. So hopefully this will be a good product to sell, or you know, a perfect gift for somebody. So the finish needs to be quick and simple as well. So what we're going to be using, we're going to be using some shellac sanding sealer. basically it dries in 20 to 30 minutes, and that's why I'm basically using this product. I'm going to do 2 coats in total, where the second coat will be thinned out with about 20% of mineral spirit. When that dries, obviously with a light sanding in between coats, we'll finish it off with some basically wax, and then you can buff it to whatever, you know, look you desire. It could be satin or it could be gloss, and that's up to you. That will give enough protection and good qualities and feel to these items. So let's get to it. So these beauties are now fully sanded. As I mentioned before, 2 coats of shellac with light sanding in between. The last sanding again with grit 400. They're absolutely beautiful and super smooth. So now it's time to give them a bit of wax. 1 or 2 coats depending how the wood's going to absorb it, and then we'll buff it a little bit, so we're going to have a nice satin shine. I hope this video was a bit of an inspiration to you and gave you hopefully a good idea so what you can do with your scraps lying about in your workshop. To add that, I'm actually going to be releasing 2 more videos that are related to books basically. So the next video that should be coming out next week is actually a lamp that will act as a basically a book holder, so you can put it on your bedside table, you can put your book onto it, and it will act as a light as well. Hopefully it will come out all right. I'm actually producing that video now, so personally I've not seen the end result, so I'm hoping it's not going to be a fail basically. And the third video will be your basic shelf book stoppers, so that's another easy and quite inexpensive project to do as well. So if you're not a subscriber and you don't want to miss those videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press that bell notification button so you don't miss anything. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching, and till next week, till then, take care.